In this tutorial, we'll talk about the menu system. On the left, you can find all the vessel-specific detail in the Vessel tab. Then all of the voyage-specific details go under the Voyage tab. Next, we have our draft survey information, our trimming information, and finally, our reporting. To use this menu system, first we'll select a vessel. You can see there's nothing in the work folder at the moment. Let's go to Pick from the database. This is our Explorer list of ships. Let's select Panamax 1. You can see the preview on the right-hand side, and you can add that to the work list. You'll notice a pop-up toast message at the top right, and now we have a vessel in our current work. Now you can view the particulars of our selected vessel. You can see our selected vessel at the top at all times. All of the important particulars are here on this page. Let's add in a ship's email address. You can also see all of the hatch data, including the LCGs, given from midship. But if they are from aft perpendicular, you can always switch between mid and aft. Then we have our hold mass limits, as well as our combined limits. Next, we have information about our ballast hardware. Our tank setup including fuel oil, diesel, fresh water, and ballast tanks. Here, we have our draft mark distances from the perpendiculars. You can also select which position you are reading whilst reading the drafts. Finally, we have our hydrostatic details. You can see for every 20 centimeters of draft, we have our displacement, TPC, LCF, and MTC. And we can view the various graphs of these parameters. This is very useful for error trapping in case there's a mistake in our hydro table before it becomes a critical calculation error. That completes our vessel detail all in the top menu item. Next, we will make a voyage. You can see here the loading criteria. We're going to load this vessel to summer draft. We will type in our destination and port agent. Now we can enter our cargo parameters. Here we give cargo a description, a reference number, and the max/min range. In this case, it's 70,000 plus or minus 10%, and we'll put that in all of the hatches. Here we can see how much cargo will fit into our particular cargo holds based on the stowage factor provided. We have a range of 3 that we can assess to ensure the cargo will fit. Lastly, we have all the relevant times relating to that particular voyage. In the next menu, we enter all of our draft surveys. I'm a fast typer, so don't worry if you can't keep up. There is an area for the running draft, which is encouraged to ensure the vessel's condition is checked before trimming. We don't want any nasty surprises. On the right side, we have an area to enter the shore scale tonnages provided by the terminal. This button gives us a hatch breakdown at every stage, so we can monitor the belt error closely. Our critical trimming survey is done in Interim 1 and/or Interim 2. And our final survey to give us our total cargo for the voyage. And here is our hatch breakdown again to give us our sailing condition. One of the best features of CargoMax is how easy it makes the trimming survey. At running draft, we can do a 3-hatch trim to ensure the interim survey holds no nasty surprises. We can trim to a draft or a cargo quantity in seconds. All of the expected drafts are shown below, no matter how many pours you are trimming with. Finally, our last menu item is for reporting. That concludes this tutorial. We hope this has helped you fast-track your knowledge of this amazing application. Look out for more tutorials on our website. Bye for now.